Have you ever felt like your life is out of balance? Like you're giving all to one area, either work, family, or your health, but the other areas of your life feels neglected? What if I told you there is a simple and proven tool that can help you find clarity, find balance in your life, and ultimately real happiness? Stick around, because today I'm introducing you to the Wheel of Life. It's a self-improvement tool that's changed countless lives, including my own. At the end of this video, I'll also share the template I use for my own Wheel of Life. So let's dive in. So the Wheel of Life is a visual tool that is used in self-improvement, personal development, and in coaching. It was created to help people assess and understand their satisfaction across key areas of their life. Imagine a circle divided into sections where each section represents a different aspect of your life. Typically, these areas include health and fitness, career or business, personal growth, relationship, meaning with the person you are together with, family and friends, can be your parents, your siblings, your kids, and your, obviously, friends, your finance, your creativity, fun, and recreation. You can customize these areas based on what's most important for you. Usually it should not be more than 8. A number between 6 and 8 is simple and allows you to easily start with it, analyze it quickly, and establish some routine. A number between 8 to 12 offers you a more detailed and nuanced picture of your life, especially when you want to dig deeper into specific areas. As an example, fun and recreation can be also split additionally into emotional well-being, for example. Additional aspects could be spirituality, faith, or contribution to the community. So it's really up to you, but you should visualize your current life at least in the first step. So after you split your Wheel of Life into the sections that are important for you, the target is to assess those sections of your life and try to get a better picture. Try to think of your life as a wheel. If some parts of the wheel are flat, the ride gets bumpy, right? So this tool helps you to pinpoint where your wheel is uneven so you can take action to smooth it out. Also, there is various research on how a balanced life is correlated with satisfaction, productivity, and less stress. I put 2 research studies that I found interesting in the description section below. So in short, research found out that the quality of happiness is multifactorial, meaning happy people were most likely to be at the top of the social ladder, typically married, get well with friends and family. They were usually healthy, both physically and mentally, were open-minded, active, felt in control of their life. You start by rating your satisfaction in each area of your life on a scale from 1 to 10, with 1 being I'm really struggling and 10 being I couldn't be happier. And once you have rated each area, you connect the dots and create a shape. Ideally, you want to have a shape that looks more like a smooth circle, but for most of us, it looks more like a jagged starfish. And this is where the magic happens. The uneven shape gives you a clear visual snapshot of what areas of your life needs attention. Maybe your career is at 9, but your health is a 4. Or your relationship are thriving at an 8, but you're neglecting fun and recreation at a 2. So the Wheel of Life isn't just about identifying areas that need improvement, it's about awareness. Most of us go through life feeling off but can't really tell why, and this tool gives you the clarity. And once you are aware of the gaps, you can create actionable goals to bring more balance to your life. For example, if you score low on health, maybe you commit to 30 minutes of exercise 3 times a week. If fun and recreation are lacking, you might schedule a weekend getaway or start a new hobby. I first discovered the Wheel of Life when I was feeling overwhelmed. I was pouring everything into my career, but my relationship and health were really suffering. So when I completed the wheel, it was a wake-up call for me. I realized I needed to make intentional changes. Over the next few months, I started setting goals for the areas I was neglecting. like scheduling regular date nights, going again frequently to the gym. Slowly my wheel became again more balanced and I felt happier, more grounded than ever. Now, I know the traditional way of doing it with pen and paper can be old school, right? This is also why I've created a digital version of it using Notion. Let me walk you quickly through this template. It's a template that is easy to use, it's actionable, it's customizable, so you can define the life areas that matter most of you. Plus, it includes a landing page showing you the visualization of your actual assessment, a Kanban board split into 3 buckets by looking if the actual month is rated 7 or higher and the last 3 months are rated on average 6 or higher, which would be positive. When the last 3 months and the actual months is rated between 6 and 4, the status is okay. And if it's less than 4, the status is negative. You can add your monthly ratings by navigating to it via the panel on the left. You can also add goals that are related to your different areas. Let's say, I want to be a successful YouTuber. I set the tag to career. As you can see, here are the 8 areas of my life set as tags. You can set due dates. You can set the status. And the rest is filled out automatically in the table. And then you are in the task table. To go with the YouTube example, I set 3 tasks: upload my first video, upload the video weekly, improve my editing skills. You relate the tasks with the goals that are in the goals table, right? The tag is set automatically. You can define a due date and the status as well. And when the status of the task is set to done, as you can see in this example of uploading my first video, the completion is partly going up on the goal table, which is related to that task. So this is in a nutshell my wheel of life that I created in Notion and that I use. So if you're ready to start to unlock your best life, start by creating your own wheel of life. Grab a pen and paper, or if you want to have a more structured way of doing the wheel of life, check out the link in the description section below to download my template for Notion for a small $1 and start your own journey for a balanced and fulfilling life. Thanks for watching my first video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you found this video interesting. Comment and tell me what kind of video you would like to watch, and see you in the next video.